Tenant states, my dryer door won't latch shut. This is a pretty common issue just because, people kick the door shut, slam it shut, do whatever to get it shut, and it ends up breaking this little plastic part. These little plastic pieces are kind of a pain in the butt to get off here, but let's get a new one installed for them. And it fell inside the door. No issue. It'll be fine inside there. It's not going anywhere. Pop this new one in there, get it tested. This one's all good to go.